Hi, and welcome to the Big Six lesson introduction. I am your presenter, Amanda Allen. I'm your school librarian and one of your many resources for your project. I want to be as helpful as possible, so please do not hesitate to ask me questions during the research process. During the lesson, you will demonstrate curiosity about a topic, ask questions and find answers through active exploration, make predictions and develop generalizations based on past experiences, and evaluate your experiences through conversation with peers and adults. The Big Six model covers many different standards that educators use to guide their lesson preparation. When students begin the research skills independently, the TEKS will cover these these standards. Up until second grade, they are learning to research with adult assistance. And these TEKS cover many different skills needed for research. Like they generate questions on a topic for formal and informal inquiry. They'll develop and follow a research plan. They'll identify and gather relevant information from a variety of sources. They'll identify primary and secondary sources, demonstrate understanding of information gathered. They'll recognize the difference between paraphrasing and plagiarism when using source materials, and create a works cited page, and use an appropriate mode of delivery, whether written, oral, or multimodal, to present results. The Common Core standard covers research to build and present knowledge, drawing evidence from literary or informational texts to support analysis, reflection, and research. The ISTE standard, students plan and employ effective research strategies to locate information and other resources for their intellectual or creative pursuits. And then the 2018 AASL standards, learners develop and satisfy personal curiosity by reading widely and deeply in multiple formats and write and create for a variety of purposes. What is the Big Six? The Big Six is a process model of how people solve an information problem. The Big Six is meant for people of all ages. The model is backed up with multiple studies and practiced around the globe. It has been found that successful information problem solving encompasses 6 stages with 2 sub-stages under each. And I got some of this from www.thebigsix.org. It is a great resource for all things about the Big Six. You will be taking the pre-assessment before the lesson. Please take a few minutes and complete the Big Six pre-assessment. Please answer the following questions with your best answer. I will use this information to create a lesson about the Big Six that best meets your needs. Thank you so much. And this is the link to the Google form that I've created for you. In conclusion, the purpose of the lesson is to help you demonstrate curiosity, ask questions and find answers, make predictions, and evaluate experiences. The Big Six research model aligns with many different standards that educators use as guidelines to help stay consistent when teaching skills. The Big Six research model helps solve information problems. And please take a look at the website www.thebigsix.org to learn more. And don't forget to take the pre-assessment. Here are some Big Six videos that you can watch to help you familiarize yourself with the Big Six research model. Thank you so much.